folder for this specific file we just did, you go here and we have test. You have these 3 files, but none of them are text files, and nothing, like no program can read these files except for that one. So what you have to do is export it. So to do that, you go to the program, you go File, Playback. Actually, I'll slow down a little bit for you. So File, and then like playback the file that you have. Because basically what the program's going to do is you're going to have it make a log and play back the data in real time, and then it'll write to a text file. And then there's an option there you can just like skip through it and not have to do it in real time, so it's faster. So that's basically what we're doing. It seems pretty antiquated, but that's how it is. So go playback, you'll go to your file, so here it is. You'll take this file name and you'll copy it, because usually it'll be like a bunch of numbers and whatever you have. You don't have to, but when you go to save your text file, you have to type in the text file name, so you might as well just copy it here. So you go open, and then you have like these buttons here. So you want to go to display, data table, new.
Display, data table.
Or sorry, open, I mean, not new.
You sure?
Yep. So open, it'll ask you which one. So in this case, the AC phase. So this will do all of it, A and B, no matter what. You don't have to specify which one or both.
Okay.
Okay. So you go there, open, and then from here you'll get your table here. So you have like your time, your B and your A values, and then you also have your marker numbers. So you'll right click, and then log.
Right click. Log.
So it'll ask you where you want to write it to. So then here you put your file name in. In this case, I just paste the name I had before. And you can either just leave it. We usually do .pb for playback.
Okay.
I mean, you don't have to. You could go like export or whatever you wanted. That's what we do. So you go save. So then from here, I mean, this isn't very descriptive, but it says left symbol in the top bar across the screen. It just means this one here.
Okay. Oh, that diamond with the line.
So it says left mouse button to start data acquisition. Okay. So I don't know if you want to write that symbol down or.
Wait. Sure. Yeah, it's a diamond with a line.
Yeah, I'm not. That was kind of a weird symbol. Anyway, so you hit that, and it'll start writing to your text file in real time. Okay. Unless you want to wait in real time for your text file to be done, you just go here, and this button is to play back as fast as possible, so it rips through it. So if you have like a 30-minute ride, it'll get through it in 10 seconds or less.
Cool.
So it says reach end of playback data, so you go OK. And from here, I think you just hit close. And then you can go log again if you have like another file.
Okay.
So you go close, right click.
Wait, which one close? How do I close?
So just file.
Okay.
You hit close.
Okay.
And then you hit playback again, repeat. So go back. If you want to do another file, playback, select your next one. Then from here, log is going to be selected still from your previous one. So deselect it, go back, select it again, and then you'll have your new output file. Otherwise, it'll overwrite the other one.
Okay.
So this is if you have like 5 people in a day and you just want to like go through it. Otherwise, you go through like this process. You have to like close the program, open, repeat all this stuff. This way you can just go close, playback, deselect log, reselect log to get your new file, and just go through it. It saves a lot of time.
Sure.
But it'll work either way, whichever one you're more comfortable with.
So on. Okay, so go log.
Yeah. So say I wrote the last file, right? If I right-click this, it would have that log check marked.
Okay.
So because I want to write a new file for the next participant or the next ride, I'll go File, Close. So this will be gray. So it's okay. So there's no file loaded. So you go back to playback, select your file, copy the file name,
okay,
and then it'll open up again. right click, log, select the name for you want it to be, go through that process, and then you can go file, close, file, playback, deselect log, reselect log, pick your new thing, just repeat that. Otherwise you have to close the program,
Yes.
open it,
Yes.
you'll open your
Yes.
data monitoring
All of
table or whatever.
Sure.
All those extra steps take
Sure.
up a lot of time. If you're doing a lot of files, if it's only like 2, sometimes I just
Otherwise, you just repeat this.
otherwise repeat that process. But you have to open and close the program.
That's fine.
Yeah.
No,
But oh yeah, it'll be the same.